Okay, you guys, so I'm still trying. I use this too. I have like different look, like with the lipstick. So I used the purple one on the side and the dark red on the side. It looks better without the camera, but anyways, I used matte makeup, matte lipstick, so it can just stay. It doesn't like mix, yeah. But yeah, oh, it did mix right now. It's okay. It looks nice like that. Bear. Maybe we could do this one second. I'm gonna just leave it. I usually use lipstick pencil liner, but I like my actual skin tone, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. Pretty. It's still not dry, that's why it got mixed up, but oh well, I like it like this too. Interesting. When I'm like using my word, my words, mixed. But anyway, I'm gonna use this. Oh. Just think of it as a vagina. It's like water. I don't know, low self-esteem will just make it bad. That's the side of my stroke.